Hi, today I'm reviewing this USB high-speed cable from Chip. This is cable, it's not so long. It's a nice length. Okay. So the only thing that this side is a little bit big, so when you put it in some phones with their cases, it doesn't go all the way in. You see? So it fell. So this is the bad thing about it. Not like some cables that can fit in like this. Okay? So now we're trying to see the charge. Okay, so we charged it. And we're gonna start a stopwatch and to show you that it's a high charger. Okay. It's like 5% now. See you soon. So welcome back. So you can see after 5 minutes it went from 5% to 9%. Okay, will it charge more? And we'll see after that. Hi again. So after 15 minutes you can see that it went from 5 to 15%. So it's a nice cable. For me it's a high-speed cable. I don't have any problem with the charger because it plugs fine. It's not like in this phone. So just for reference, I was charging my Sony Xperia Z3V and I was using the original charger, Sony charger with it. Okay? Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. Bye.